Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to make money on Wattpad. If you're thinking about making money on Wattpad, the first thing to know is that isn't one of those apps where you upload a story on a Monday and retire by Friday. When I explored the platform's monetization options, I found the most earnings come from after you build an audience. One of the main opportunities is through paid stories, where readers pay to unlock chapters and writers receive a share of the revenue. Wattpad also has programs such as the Creator Program and Wattpad Stores, but these are generally invite only and tend to favor writers with strong engagement, completed stories, and a solid reader base. Another potential income source is ad based monetization, where writers can earn where readers view ads within their stories. The strategy that seems to work best is focusing on consistent publishing, improving your storytelling skills, and building a loyal audience over time. Think of Wattpad less as an ATM and more as a garden you plant stories, water them with updates, and eventually hope something valuable grows. You can also expand beyond Wattpad by directing readers to platforms like Patreon or self published books once you've gained a following. The real value comes from audience building first and monetization second. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.